Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify call tracking in CallRail for ROI step by step clearly. To verify call tracking in CallRail for ROI, begin by logging into your CallRail account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. In the dashboard, locate the Reports tab on the left sidebar. Click on Reports to view various reporting options. Select the Call Reports option from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a summary of your calls over a specific time period. To customize your report, choose a date range that aligns with your ROI analysis. Adjust the filters to specify the sources and tracking numbers of interest. Once you've set your parameters, click Apply Filters to update the report. Review the data, focusing on metrics such as call volume, call duration, and call outcomes. Take note of any missed calls and track if they led to lost opportunities. For deeper insights, look into the Attribution section under Reports. This section allows you to analyze which sources are driving the most conversions. Next, navigate to the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. Ensure your marketing platforms, such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads, are properly linked. This linkage ensures accurate attribution of calls to your marketing efforts. After verifying integrations, return to the dashboard to monitor call metrics regularly. For a comprehensive ROI analysis, calculate the total revenue generated from calls. You can do this by tracking conversion metrics post-call follow-up. Compare the revenue with the total cost of your marketing campaigns. This comparison will give you a clear picture of your ROI from CallRail. Finally, consistently monitor these metrics to refine your marketing strategies. By following these steps, you will effectively verify call tracking in CallRail for ROI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.